Hello everyone, this is Dana from Goodcom. When you have installed the Goodcom printer plugin, you can install additional Goodcom plugin which can support WCFM Marketplace plugin. Now let's look at the screen recording walkthrough.
This is the WCFM Marketplace plugin we just mentioned. It's essential to install the Goodcom Woocommerce printer plugin before installing this new plugin. You can refer to our previous video that demonstrates how to integrate a Woocommerce website with the Goodcom Android POS system. To get started, follow these steps. Access your website's backend and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to upload the Goodcom Woocommerce Multi-Vendor for WC Multivendor Marketplace plugin file. After uploading the file, activate the plugin. Once you've completed these steps, you can proceed to the Marketplace section. Here, you will find the restaurant ID for each store vendor. For instance, we have vendors such as Goodcom Restaurant, Chinese Food Restaurant, and Fast Food Restaurant. Let's take Goodcom Restaurant as an example. Its corresponding restaurant ID is 2. To configure the Android POS, you simply need to set the residential Idaho. Access the server settings and input 2 as the residential Idaho. Now, let's proceed to place an order from Goodcom Restaurant.
I come back. As you can see, our Android POS can successfully receive and print the order. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.